हेलो गाइस, मैं हूं बुशरा खानम और आप देख रहे हैं बीके लॉ। आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ फैमिली लॉ यानी मुस्लिम लॉ का सेकंड सेमेस्टर का प्रीवियस ईयर का क्वेश्चन पेपर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 2023-24 का। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। इफ़ अ मुस्लिम हस्बैंड हैज़ फॉल्सली चार्ज्ड हिज वाइफ विद अडल्ट्री द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिट्रैक्ट इज कॉल्ड आंसर डी तलाकुल बिद्दत. And second, there is no right to preemption in answer D, all of the above. And third, in case of dissolution of Muslim marriage and divorce, the period of iddat is answer C, 4 months 10 days. And question number 4, mother's right to have the custody of minor child is known as answer A. Question 5, marriage between a Muslim male and a Christian female shall be considered as valid. Quranic heirs are called answer A, share. Under Muslim law, the only natural guardian is father. Question 8, the paternity of a child can only be established answer C, both A and B. What are the main source of Muslim law? All of the above. And 10, Islamic law is formally contained is answer D, all of the above. And 11, dollar on the basis of amount payable is classified into answer A, 2 categories. Question 12, Islamic law is called answer B, Shariat. And 13, Shariat Act 1937 came into operations on answer D, 7th October 1937. And 14, which one of the following is not a secondary source of Muslim law? Answer C, Qiyas. 15, which one is not a source of Muslim law? Answer B, Sharia. Question 16, there are how many major schools of Sunnis in India? Answer C, 4. 17, Ijma has as a source of Muslim law means? Answer A, unanimous opinion of the Muslim jurists. And 18, Muslim law applies to C, all persons who are Muslim by birth or by conversion. Question 19, who was the founder of Maliki school? Answer B, Malik ibn Anas. And 20, Sunnat as a source of Muslim law means? Answer B, traditions of Prophet. And 21, Tuhar means that C, period between menstruation. And 22, Qiyas as a source of Muslim law means C, analogical deduction through reasoning. Question 23, the Hijrah is answer A, the immigration of the early Muslim community from Makkah to Medina. And 24, Munshi Buzul ur Rahim versus Lutifut on Nisan. Landmark case है 1861 का, is a leading case on answer B, Khula. And 25, Shariat Act 1937 contains only section answer C, 6. And 26, which of the following are sources of Muslim law? Answer D, all of the above. Question 27, a Muslim man cannot marry a answer D. And 28, which one is not recognized branch of Sunni school of Muslim law? Answer A. 29, which are the main branch of Sunni schools? Answer C. And 30, dollar on meher belongs to answer A, absolute to the wife. Question 31, essential element of a Muslim marriage is our answer C. And 32, Abu Yusuf and Imam Muhammad were the peoples of answer C. And 33, dollar is of how many kinds? Answer A. 34, which of the following is a required site for a valid marriage under Muslim law? Answer D, none of the above. Question 35, in which case it was held the Muslim marriage is both a civil contract and a religion sacrament? Answer A. 36, how many witnesses are necessary for marriage under Hanafi school? Answer B. 37, which is the age of poverty of a Muslim marriage? Answer C. And 38, a marriage prohibited by reason of preference of religion is answer C. Question 39, for a valid Muslim marriage? Answer C. 40, which of the following is absolutely incapacity for marriage? Answer D. 41, according to Hadith, the poverty age for boy is and for girl is answer A. And 42, under Muslim law, guardianship is marriage is also known as answer A. Question 43. Which one of the following is not essential for a valid marriage under Muslim law? Answer C. And 44. Sunni Muslim consider muta marriage as? Answer B. Who undertake the maintenance under Muslim law? Answer D. A nikah solemnized in the absence of qazis? Answer A. Question 47. The provisions of the Dissolution of Marriage Act 1939 gives right of judicial divorce to? Answer B. Wife only. And 48. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court uphold the validity of the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act 1986? Answer C. And question 49. How many witnesses are necessary in Shia Muslims marriage? Answer C. Non-witness is required. 15. Which of the following statement is correct? Answer D. All of the above. ये वीडियो LLB सेकंड सेमेस्टर के सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहेगी। ये है फर्स्ट पार्ट यानी 50 क्वेश्चंस इसमें मैंने कवर किए हैं और सेकंड पार्ट में हम 50 और कवर करेंगे। ऐसे ही और क्वेश्चंस पेपर देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। मिलते हैं सेकंड पार्ट में, तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज़।